You seem a little breathless, Mrs. Medway. Are you comfortable there, or would you like me to get your another pillow?
No, I am okay, thanks. I am really worried about this pain in my cord.
I can understand you might be worried. Dr. Kian's on today. She'll be able to go through the result once we've carried out a few more tests. I need to take your temperature now. Can I put this under your tongue, please? Grade 13.7 2, that's fine. No, I need to take your pulse as well. If today, if that's okay,
That's fine.
I'm just going to rest your hand on your chest here. So it's more comfortable. I take your pulse.
Okay.
It's 18. That's fine. You 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 have an EGC later on. So that just leave your blood pressure. Have you had this done before?
Not for a while now.
Okay, if you can just take off your jacket and roll up sleeve for me. As far as will go that I do. I explain what I am going as we go along. People tend to feel better when they know what to expect. I'm going to ask you to place your arm on the pillow first. And then I want you to relax and just breathe normally. Now if I can wrap this cone around your arm. That is now is just pump it up a little. You won't feel any discomfort, just a little pressure to the arm. Okay, so far.
Fine.
I just have a listen wheel. I result the pressure. Okay, that's on 35 over 19.
What does the mean?
Well, it is a little higher too. I would have thought it could be due to your anxiety, which is understandable. If you don't mean top in, I think I take a second rating just to be sure. Can you give me your other arm, please? No, I need you to relax as much possible. Good, all down. There's a slight decrease there. I had it and 13 over 18.5. But it's still a little higher than normal.
What's normal then?
It varies, but normal blood pressure is generally below 120 over 18. Now, Nurse Steffes will be over in a minute to take a blood sample for the lab.
Oh, I was hoping I was going to escape that one.
Oh, really?
I have a real phobia where blood concerned bit of baby. I am afraid.
There's nothing to be embarrassed about, Mrs. Medway. You all be surprised how many people feel the same. I let my challenge know so she can take the necessary precautions.
You are very understand. Thanks.
Dr. Kiani has asked you to keep an eye on you for the next few hours or so. How are you feeling, Mrs. Medway?
Much better, nurse. Thanks. I think I had a bit of a panic either, but I'm feeling much more reaction now.
Well, the good news is that your pulse has stabilized and your blood pressure is down. on when you first come in. It was gradual, which is a good sign to Dr. Kiani. Will be back to see you in a while to explain your EKC result and talk about where we go from here.